You need emotion to learn English fast. If there's one secret to success in anything, including learning English, it is emotion. Not methods, not teachers, not books. Emotion. With powerful, positive emotion, you can succeed at anything. I talk a lot about learning methods here at Effortless English, and I believe we have the best English learning method in the world. But even the best method is useless without emotion. Simply put, if you are bored, tired, or sad, you will not learn English well. This is how our brains work. Brains don't learn quickly when your emotions are mostly negative. Even if you use the very best learning methods and materials, you will get poor results if your emotions are weak or negative. Tony Robbins, the famous peak performance coach, states that emotional mastery is the single biggest key to success. And I agree. My best students, the ones who learn the fastest and get the best results, are always energetic, enthusiastic, and positive. When they are learning English, they are smiling, they are laughing, they are focused, and they have energy. If you want to improve quickly like them, you should imitate them. How? Put yourself into a strong, positive, emotional state every time before studying English. First, sit quietly. Close your eyes. And remember happy, positive memories from your life. Feel the way you felt at that time. Remember times you succeeded. Remember times you were excited. Remember times you felt love. Next, move your body. Stand up. Jump around. Smile. Lift your arms into the air. Get your blood moving. Finally, put on some happy, energetic music. Choose a favorite song that makes you feel happy and alive. Dance and move with the song. Consciously smile, a huge smile. Now, you are ready to study English. Always do this before studying, so that you are always in a happy emotional state when you are learning English. Do this and you will learn much faster. Your brain will remember much more. You will get much better results. Master your emotions to master English.